He stepped over me completely.
Don't say.
No!
Come, Vivian, come here. Here, just touch the back.
Yeah, fill the shell.
Give her a hand over there.
Look at her.
Heck no.
Vivian, it's not gonna get you, Vivian. I'll beat it up. Get it, beat it. Come here, Viv, turn around. It's over here. It's away from you. Look. Look.
It's over here, baby.
Look, baby.
Look.
How is it that fast if it's that old?
I don't think she wants it.
Look, touch it like
I don't
this.
think she wanted either.
Vivian,
They're very
like this.
harmless, Vivian.
Like this.
They're very harmless. Look,
Aw, come on,
It feels
Viv.
like, it feels like
it feels
wood.
like a helmet,
It feels like wood.
a football helmet, or a
Look,
tree.
good.
Yeah.
Feels like a tree. His neck can't even reach that part.
Look,
Touch
it's
this
that
shell right here,
close.
this part.
Come on, Viv.
Feel the lines right here.
No, she won't touch it.
No? Yes?
No.
All right.
I don't want him to hit me.
Behind you, Grandma.
He's going.
Dang, he's strong.
Yeah, I try to put him down and he goes.
Yeah.
Did he burp?
Okay, this is cool.
This is a turtle's life, just roaming around doing nothing all day.
Seems like she's getting better.
Remember we had a turtle, my girls, we had a big backyard and I had in the backyard. Thing was gone.
Turtle's like, oh, I'm out.
Nobody's paying attention to
So
me.
you want me to take a picture of you with the turtle?
No. Okay, fine.
Just sit on it.